Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's Epic Tours, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So today we are at Ocean Coral Spring Hotel, right? So first time here, of course. It's been a good experience thus far, but I hope that this video will give you more information on if you want to visit here or not. All right, a little later on I'll tell you about some of my pros and cons. See, I'm all dolled up now, ready to go in the water, only for rain to be falling. So I'm waiting for that to cool down, and then I go in for a swim. So let's enjoy this video. See you guys. So of course, guys, what happened to me? I got lost. Kind of probably still lost, but let's see. I'm going with it. But yeah, so I went somewhere just now. So if anybody is going to Ocean Coral, all right. So guys, if you are going to Ocean Coral Spring, my suggestion is don't follow Google Maps, because Google Maps is going to tell you two different turnoffs, and honestly they might be right, but the roads are horrible, so I didn't even go as far as to know if it got to the point. Don't get lost like me, right? And that road, as I said, is bad. I'm going to actually show you guys a piece of that. I didn't get to do it because I forgot the microphone earlier, so the video is there, but the sound is really bad, so I'm going to show you guys now. But now I think I am on the right track because I just saw another sign. So look for the signs, guys. Don't follow Google Maps, follow the signs. All right, don't be like me. All right, guys, so check-in process.
Alright, so both signatures, the temperature when coming in, your name, date of birth, one email and the telephone number, and if you have any food allergies, you state it here, your home address here, you sign for the towels inside the room, and you sign for the key card. On the back, you put your signature, and that's it. Any questions, you can ask.
Alright.
Alright, so this is the welcome package. Inside you have a map of the resort in case you need any directions, and you also have a barcode, which is right here as well. So you scan the barcode to make room service order and dinner reservations. Room service is free for lunch and dinner. For breakfast and late night, it will be at additional charge, alright?
Okay. So I'm trying to get ready to go. I'm trying to catch the Japanese restaurant. I didn't get to make a reservation. I tried because I wasn't here. So when I came, I got to book in really early. But what I tried doing was reserving, but everything is through the whole online and whatever. Which is kind of crazy because what happened now is I got back in like 7-ish, 7, and I wasn't able to, of course, make any reservations again. But I was told that I could have done it using the app and all of that. All I tried it, could not reserve anything because apparently I wasn't fully booked in. So now it's just going off hopes that I can get into the restaurant. Alright guys, so I'm here waiting on the food. I'm a little disappointed because the buffet isn't available for tonight. I don't know if it's normally, but for tonight it's not available. Only the Japanese restaurant or the Italian restaurant. So let's see, maybe the food is good. So I'm going to both actually to see, you know, which is which, because I didn't really want anything from this menu. So let's see. Thank you. So I got lasagna.
One, two, three. Oh!
So what we eat the meat with by itself?
It's all about home, and I'm for this and I own it. There's nothing for them know me. And them argument, show me. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and it's very hard. They want me get grappled, like the money dance I get. I'm okay, can you clean every day. I'm up in 20 times a day. Oh, everybody come here. You know the rest and I say I'm okay. My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take it for granted. So much things I did not say. Got some pork more than Inject. And we can do this and that different. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
And now guys, it's time to get some food. I think it's breakfast time. I think, yeah, it's too early for me. But yeah. Alright guys, so we are here. They actually sanitize your bags at the front. Alright guys, so just to share a little bit on my thoughts here. My little Santa hat's falling off. But so far it has been good. There are a lot of things on the compound to do. There's actually a lazy river somewhere around here. I don't know if I'll get footage of that. If it is that you have a kid, it's ideal. I'll show you guys again. There's a video showing the kids area. It's really good. It's really spacious. The sun is killing me right here, so I'm not staying here very long. But yeah, the only problem I had was maybe it's because of the time I stayed, but of course because of COVID, I understand not all the restaurants open. But when I went, it was just 2 restaurants open, and they were specialty restaurants. So it was either Italian or what's the other word? Japanese. So you know me, the foodie, so I did both, of course, just to get footage also to show you guys. But yeah, so it's not bad. I'd love to see it, outside of COVID. So I definitely want to come back. A bit disappointed. I got the swim up room, but didn't do much swimming because of this rain that came along. I see no sun, nice and bright when I'm about to leave. All right, but yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. So this is Ocean's Coral Spring. Trelawny. So yeah, you guys should definitely check it out. This is Ocean's Coral Spring, Trelawny. OMG guys, like to walk around and show you guys here is so much work because there's so many things to see and the sun hot, but I do it for you guys.